EvoShine Flexi. Diamond discs for polishing and grinding new and old marbles, limestone and terrazzo floors. Design engineered to provide extraordinary and long-lasting mechanical shine, with few passes and without the use of chemicals. EvoShine in action. Step 1. Grit 60. EvoShine Flexi is perfect after metallic abrasives, ensuring quick and even surface finishing. Exceptional durability, capable of polishing up to 1,800 square meters. Step 2. Grit 120. Grit 30, 60, and 120, with a specially rigid formulation, quickly removes scratches and minor surface irregularities. Step 3. Grit 220. Step 4. Grit 400. Final step. Grit 800. With few passes, flawless mechanical shine. EvoShine Flexi is also available in grits 1,500 and 3,500, recommended for improving maximum gloss finishes or for marble that is more difficult to polish. From grit 220 to 3,500, they have a new formula that makes the disc more flexible, also suitable for wavy surfaces. 10 millimeters thick for long-lasting performance. Compatible with all floor grinding and polishing machines. Available from grit 30 to 3,500. Available in sizes 100, 140, 200, 240 millimeters, and 430 millimeters for single disc machines. Made in Italy.